Post a lot on Instagram? Sometimes. What kind of content do you like to do? You doing like get ready with me's? Your adventures? You traveling? What kind of adventures you be going on? You ever been to Tijuana? No, they would steal the fucking hubcaps off your chain. You would not hesitate. You ever done Molly, Bianca? Don't. Or do it, whatever. It feels fucking great. How do you describe Molly so he's ever done it? You ever come? Maybe when you're going down a gravel road? Feels like that the entire time. In the meantime, Bianca, thank you for being such a good sport and in sport.